3 Basics to Conquer a Man. To like a man is relatively easy when you know the masculine mind. Enchanting a man is relatively easy, if you know how his way of thinking works. And is that to know this you can apply some tricks so that he falls to your feet. Keep watching, and do not hesitate to use them tonight. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks and take a look at my blog. 1. Do you know good jokes? Men love girls with a great sense of humor, and is that funny people are usually smart. It's not about making a comedic routine, but some jokes are the first step for him to relax at your side. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks and take a look at my blog. 2. Presume of yourself. At the moment of the conquest is of not use to be modest. Do not be afraid to make it clear that you are a wonderful girl, funny, intelligent, successful. Why? Undoubtedly, he will be fascinated that a woman like you is paying attention to him. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks and take a look at my blog. 3. Touch him. Nonverbal language experts have discovered that contact is transcendental at the time of conquest. By touching him discreetly, you begin to build bonds with him. It is about a very subtle friction that acts at the subconscious level. Try it. Please let us know your opinions in the comments section below. Source: http://www.cosmoenespanol.com. To learn more about 3 Basics to Conquer a Man, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the image at the end of this video or the link in the description below.